Hey guys, what's up? So currently I'm out testing the VIOFO A329, the finest dash camera that's currently available in the Indian and even the global market. This dash cam is going to be launched in India today, and since I've been testing it for 2 to 3 days now, and I've also made a very extensive and a very detailed review video of the A329. So this video will probably be dropping today evening, so I need you guys to wait for it and I need you guys to take a look at this super amazing video. So just to give you a glimpse of the camera right here. So as you can see right now, the VIOFO A329 is currently mounted here, and this dash camera is pure excellence. I mean, the kind of features this dash camera exhibits and the kind of features this dash camera has, I've never experienced such excellence, such premiumness from any other dash camera, even the previous gen VIOFO A229 Pro and Plus series. I mean, the 4K 60 FPS feature of this camera is truly amazing. Not to mention the external SSD storage option that's going to be a game changer for anybody who wants to have like basically unlimited storage for their dashcam video. So stay tuned on my channel, because today evening you're going to get to see one of my best videos which I've ever made on any dash camera. And for the fact that the camera is launching today, and you'll be able to purchase the dash camera as well as soon as you watch the review video. So a brand new camera with a dual starvis 2 sensor and a 4K 60 FPS recording with external SSD storage, and along with that plenty of other unique and innovative features which only VIOFO could probably pull off. So if you are in the market to buy a super premium dash camera, if you are in the market to get yourself one of the finest dash cam products that's probably going to set new benchmarks and set a new gold standard for all the dash cameras to come, the A329 will be your perfect choice. And even if you are not in the market, and even if you're not planning on buying any dash camera, I simply need you to watch this video just to understand the kind of level dash cameras are on to these days, and the kind of features and the kind of technology these new dash cams are bringing to their customers, are bringing to their consumers. So I'm very excited to present this super amazing video in front of you today evening around 7:30 to 8 p.m. Stay tuned to Travel Tech. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and of course don't forget to like this video as well. Share this video with all your friends who are excited to watch the review video of the A329. That being said, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.